many things were happening in my life 1 year ago in the first progressive. And my best friend was in a process of cancer and she died from it. And I was also through a process of illness. So I said, okay, I don't want to leave this planet without to know what liberation means, because my whole life I was like fighting or trying to find what it means. And I knew it's not having an ecstasy or 1,000 of them, it's something else. So I was in Jerusalem and I asked Jesus, okay, give me this going through the process of knowing who you are, who am I, what is it? And I had an experience, but it was not the full answer I wanted. So I was here in the progressive, and I started to do the meditations in the CDs, and suddenly one day I started to feel I became in the sun, and waves of energy were coming out of the body. And in that moment, I was losing the fear to go beyond that, because I knew this is the world of light, this is divine world, but it was not enough. I wanted more, and going beyond that, and beyond that was this night, plenty of nothing and everything at the same time. And I got like a little scared, but afterwards I got used to this night, plenty of love, and I started to be relaxed there, and many things start to happen in my world just by being there, nothing else. And I felt again, oh wow, that's what immortality means. That's great. And I was listening to Dr. Yo today and some of this day about immortality, and this is going beyond the beyond the beyond the beyond the beyond till the heart of creation, from everything comes from there. So, and I have also the perception of divine beings being between us in this work, and the hierarchy working through us, and all these emotion that happen in this state. And I was so, I couldn't explain how I felt, but I felt, oh my goodness, this is what I was seeking my whole life. And this is the answer. And it's not something mental, but it's something that is an experience, and it's alive, and it's full of sense, and this is realization. And after that, I didn't much things in my life, but everything has started to change, and I'm psychotherapist, and I double my work, and I'm just was interested only in to do the meditation. I stay like 3 hours each day doing the work. And it was, the people start to say, but she's not engaged in human life. And I was just this need to go beyond of the beyond of the beyond of the beyond. And I was feeling that being there, many answers, not only for myself, but for the humanity were coming. And that this was my work, and I enjoyed doing it.